Hello children, today we discuss concept of area. What is area? Area means the interior measurement of a closed figure with its boundary is known as, look at this figure, these two figures, the shaded portion represents the area of that given portion. Now in this chapter we are discussing the area of rectangle and square only. Okay, rectangle has length and breadth, so in the larger side is known as length and smaller side is known as breadth. So area of a rectangle is length into breadth, that is in short we will represent with the symbol area equals length into breadth. And also area of a square equals, for the square all the four sides are equal, so area of a square is length into breadth, means here is breadth and length are same, so side into side, that is side square. That is the formula for area square of a area of a square. Then area, that's once more, area of a rectangle is A equals length into breadth. From this, if you want to calculate length, area and breadth is given. Length equals area by breadth, and breadth, if you want to calculate breadth, area by length. Okay, that is the formula. And area of a square is given as side into side is square. If side, we have to calculate root of area. And for the area equals length into breadth, that means both length and breadth are in centimeter. Unit of area will be centimeter square, or it is read as square centimeter. And both the side in length and breadth are, the unit is meter, area will be meter square. Okay, now we will discuss the problems, exercise problems in this chapter exercise. Look at here, the first is normal question. Find the area of a rectangle whose length and breadth, length equals 15 centimeter, breadth is 6.4. What is area? Length into breadth. Here is length equals 8.5 meter into breadth 5 meter. So here is also 8.5 into 5. I will show you the solved problems. Here look, 15 into 6.4, we will get 96 centimeter square. Second one 3.6 meter, and I have done for you the second question, give it as homework. Third question is length is 3.6 and breadth is 90 centimeter. 3.6 meter, that means 3.6 into 100, 360 centimeter. So area equals length into breadth, we can find the answer. Just like moving to the second set of question, find the area of a square whose side is 7.2 centimeter. Area formula for area equals side into 7.2 into 7.2. Look at here, 7.2, 7.2. We have to find and multiply 72 into 72, we will get 5182.84, 2 decimal points, that means 51.84. Okay, just like you can the remaining question also. The third set of question given that find the length whose area and breadth is given. So length equals area by breadth, 48 by 6, you will get 8 as the answer. And if the breadth, find the breadth, area is given as 88 and length is given as 11 meter. That is area by length, you will get breadth. Just like side of a square is given as 3.6, find its area and perimeter. Both the formula you have to find out. Perimeter equal 4 into side, we got the answer. Area equals side into side. Now moving to fifth question. This is a perimeter of a square is given 60 meter, is 4 into side is given. From this each side equals perimeter by 4, that is 60 by 4, you will get the answer. Area equals side into side. 60 by 4, you will get it as 15 meter. Area equals side into side is 15 into 15, you will get 225 meter square. If new area is obtained on increasing its side 2 meters, if the side becomes increasing 2 meter means already it is 15. If it is increased 2 meter, 15 plus 2, 17 will be the side, 17 meter, and area will be 17 into 17, that is 289. Try yourself. Okay, 16th question I will give it to you as homework. Moving to 7th one, the perimeter of square field is numerically equal to the area, that means its answer is equal. Find the side of each square. How will you solve it? Look at here. Let the side of a square is S, and given that perimeter of a square is equal to the perimeter of the its area, perimeter of a square is equal to the, it's numerically equal to the area. That means Perimeter formula for perimeter is 4 into side, area equals side into side. That is 4 into side equals side into side, both are equal. Both sides we can cancel each side. So side equals, we'll get S equals 4. That means side equals 4 centimeter. If you want, you can check it. 4 into side means 4 into 4, you will get 60. Side into side equals means 4 into 4 is also 6. That is numerically equal. Okay. Now question number 8. Rectangular piece of paper, area is given as 24, length is given as 5. We have to find the perimeter. To find the perimeter, for the formula for the perimeter, you know, 2 into L plus B. Length is here, but breadth is, we have to find out from this given part. So breadth equals area by length. You will get the answer. Using that, you can find the perimeter. Now, just like find the perimeter, you have to find the perimeter. Area and breadth is given. So from area and breadth, we can find the length. Using that length and breadth, you can find the perimeter. You have to try all this question, okay? Then 10th one. What will happen the area of a rectangle if length and breadth are both are treble. Treble means 3 times. Length and breadth become 3 times. Okay, 10th question. Look at here, area equal length into breadth. Given both length and become trebled, that means 3 times. That is length become 3, length 3 into L, breadth become 3 into B. That is area equal 3L into 3B. That is 3 into 3, 9 into LB. L into B. That is L into B means area. That is 9 into area. That means area of become 9 times. Okay. Then moving to 11th one. Length and breadth of a rectangle is given. It said if the increase in area, if its length increased by 10 and breadth is double, that is length, first of all you have to calculate the actual area. This 30 into 20 will get 600 as the actual area of a rectangle. Then its area, you have to find the increased area, that is length and breadth is changed. Length become 10 increased by 10, that is 30 plus 10 40, and breadth become double, that is 20 into 20. So 20 into 2, that is 40. And then find the area. Okay, now and then find the difference, you will get the what is the increased area. And 12th one is homework, that is side of a square is given, you have to calculate its increased area. Just like this 11th question, each side of a side will be increased by 4. I have written the clue over here, try yourself. Now 13th question, each rectangle tile is 40 centimeter and 30 centimeter wide. Find number, how many tiles will be required to cover a floor of length 4.8 meter and breadth 2.4 meter. This you can hear. Suppose this is the required floor and length is 4.8 meter and breadth is 2.4 meter. But the length and breadth of the tile is given in centimeter, so we have to change the length and breadth into centimeter. It is 480 and 240 centimeter. Area of the room means 480 into 240. There is no need to calculate the answer over here, just apply it. We can do the calculation finally. Just that means this is the form of putting the tile in the floor, isn't it? So the length and breadth of each tile is given. We have to find how many tiles required. So here area of one tile equals 30 into 40 centimeter square. Now number of tiles required equals area of the room divided by area of one tile, that is 480 into 240 divided by 30 into 40. When we calculate this, you will get 96 numbers of tiles is required to do the complete that area, isn't it? Now moving to next of 14th one, each surface square tile is 60 centimeter. How many tiles are required to cover the floor of length 50 meter and breadth 36? That is room, measurement of room is rectangle and shape of that tile is square. So area of tile equals 60 into 60 and area of this room is given in meter. First of all convert to centimeter, then do just like the question number 13. Now question number 15, the perimeter of a square plot is given. You have to find the area. Square plot perimeter means 4 into side, that is side equals 360 by 4, that is you will get 90 as side. Area equals 90 into 90, isn't it? 81 8,100 meters square. The cost of fencing equals perimeter into rate. And I'll show the solved problems. Okay, look at here. Side I got as 90, area of side equals side into side, 90 into 90, 8,100. Cost of fencing the boundary means perimeter into rate per meter, that is 360 into perimeter is 360, that's given, into 40 I got the answer. And cost of leveling means plowing that floor, that's interior part all we are plowing. That is cost of leveling the plot area into rate per meter square, that is 8,160. That is, you will get the answer, that is 4,86,000. Just like question number 16, up to 16 you have to do. The perimeter of a rectangle plot is given and its length is given. Using these two we can find the breadth. Breadth equals perimeter by 2 minus length. You will get the perimeter. Area equals L into B. You will get the area. Next, cost of plowing the floor field at the rate of 1.20 per meter square. That is area into this rate. You can calculate the answer. Okay, look at here. I have done for you. So breadth I got, then length, area equal length into breadth. Cost of plowing the field is area into rate. Multiply and find the answer. Okay. Yes, the two more questions are there. If you are interested, you can try it. Otherwise, stop here. This much is enough for this exercise. But you have to by heart the formula of perimeter and square area. Then only you can do all the questions. You can score full marks from this chapter. Next class we will do the data handling. And in between we can cover the symmetry and recognition of solid. That is only activity chapter. We will do some activity from that chapters. Okay, thank you. We will wind up today's class. Thank you.